Hello, this is Russell with Zen Rent Property Management, and today we're here at listing at 1528 East Indian Wells Drive. This is in Chandler, Arizona. This is in a 55 plus adult community. It's right near the golf club. Tons of amenities, and this is not to be missed. Come check it out. This concludes a tour of our Indian Wells property. We hope you enjoyed it. For more information or to schedule a tour, visit us online at zenrentpm.com or give us a call at 855-ZENRENT. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.